Welcome, Mitch from Active Therapy here. Doing another shoulder exercise series. Today we're doing the pendulum circles, and they're very important also for shoulder stability and strengthening the shoulder. Good. Okay, this is how we do it. Get into the bent over row position, get about 1 kilo weight. As you progress, you can increase the weight. Get into a nice position like this, and then what we do, arm down, let the shoulder drop down like that and retract, and then what you start to do is nice circles. So every full circle is 1 rep, and then what we do about 10 of these, 10 to 15 of these. Okay, and done. And when you do 10 to 15, that's 1 set. We should try and do each time we do it at least 3 sets, and try and do this about 3 to 5 times a week. Thank you.